dedicated towards the transformation of transportation, ensuring safety, reliability and sustainability, and contributing to the nation's technological advancement. The Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor is all set to take a giant leap in the transportation sector. The 508-kilometer long alignment of the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor will transverse through Sabarmati, Ahmedabad, Anand, Nadiad, Vadodara, Bharuch, Surat, Bilimora, Vapi in Gujarat and Boisar, Virar, Thane and Mumbai in Maharashtra. The MAHSR project will reduce the travel time between Mumbai and Ahmedabad, give a boost to the economy, benefit sectors like tourism and infrastructure, and give thrust to the Make in India initiative. The project has already started generating direct and indirect employment. India will be using the world-famous Shinkansen technology for this project, which is known for its technological advancement and has a zero passenger fatality record in the past 55 years of its operation. The thematic design of each station on the route will reflect the essence of the city in which they are located. The architecture of stations will be an amalgamation of global technology with the taste of local culture. Inspired by the Dandi March movement, a multimodal passenger hub near Sabarmati HSR station is also taking shape. The construction work has already started in all the 8 districts of Gujarat and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, covering 352 kilometers of alignment out of 508 kilometers. The works related to the construction of piers like piling and pier caps are under progress. Full-span box girders are being cast at several locations. The 40 meters full-span box girder weighs about 970 metric ton, involving 390 cubic meter of concrete and 42 metric ton of steel, and is cast in a single piece. The full-span girders are being erected by using indigenous heavy machinery like straddle carrier, bridge launching gantry, girder transporter and launching gantry. This 1100-ton capacity machine lifts the girder from the girder transporter by lifting beam and brings it between 2 pillars, and carefully places it on the bearing placed on the pillar. This process is called girder launching. In this way, a 40-meter bridge is built in just 16 hours. Currently, 8 such machines are working, out of which 4 are completely made in India. The HSR stations are also taking shape along the alignment. The bridge works on important rivers like Narmada, Tapti, Mahi are also in progress. The longest river bridge of 1.2 kilometers will be on the Narmada river. Along with this, the construction work of the bridge on the Par river, Purna river and Petalad canal has been completed. With the use of full-span box girder launching technology, the construction of viaducts over railway tracks and roadways is progressing rapidly without disrupting traffic. Casting yards have been developed along the alignment to cater to the peak requirement of superstructure casting and erection. As we step into Amrit Kal, India's first bullet train, the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor project will not only be a glorious example of our Atmanirbharta, but will also be pivotal in putting India on the track to global prowess. The Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor, accelerating transformation towards New India.